Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your driver memory seat and easy access out in the newly refreshed 2024 Kia Seltos. I have in front of me here an X-Line all-wheel drive in snow white pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, one of the new features of the newly refreshed 2024 Kia Seltos is your driver memory seating. So we do have on the driver's seat our 8-way power driver seat with your lumbar support. And then over here on the door, this is where the memory seat positions are located. So we have memory seat 1 and memory seat 2. So when you go to adjust the seat where you want it, you're gonna press and hold this button here, and it's gonna pop up on your instrument cluster to let you know you've now saved that memory position. If you were to use the driver profiles in the infotainment screen here, I'm gonna swipe to the left, and you'll see we've got driver 1 and there's also a driver 2. So if you were to use your driver memory seat position and save 2 profiles under driver 1, if you switch to driver 2, you have 2 new memory seat positions. So there's 2 memory seat positions per profile. And I know it takes a few drives to get your seat set where you want it, so you go ahead and adjust it as you need to, and then you just go ahead again and press and hold it. It will confirm that it saved it, and it will just override what the last seat position was. And if we were to head into the infotainment, again, I'll swipe to the left. I'm gonna enter setup in the bottom right corner here, or setup underneath the climate controls. And when we go in there, I'm gonna go to vehicle. I'm gonna scroll up on the left a little bit and go to seat. And then you're gonna see seating easy access. So I'm gonna select that. So right now, your driver's seat easy access is set to normal. And if we select that, you can choose extended, normal, or off. So what that means is that when you go to turn off the car and leave it, the seat's gonna actually move back for you to give you a little bit more room to get out. And when you come back into the seat and you go to start the car, it's gonna bring you back to the last memory seat position that was saved. In the infotainment here, you can see you can set it to normal, extended, or you can turn it off if you don't want it to move. So if you want a bit of extra room to get out, you go ahead and choose extended. And again, when you get back in, it's gonna bring you back to the last position that the seat was in. And if you're not a fan of it moving and doing that, again, you can just go ahead and select off, and then it won't do that. So it's personal preference on how you wanna have it set. And I just wanted to note as well that unfortunately this does not include the side mirrors, just in case anybody had a question if it does. So this is only for the driver's seat. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.